Cinematography tip of the day. We're talking Sony Burano. Now, I have been using the Burano side by side with the Venice 2 most recently. And what I love is I get the handheld lightweight nature on the gimbal and also just the compact nature of the camera. With the Venice 2 and the Sony Burano side by side, there is a slight adjustment that's needed. It's a little magenta. So what I do is I go inside the menu, I go to my white balance, I hit edit, I go to temp, I'm gonna hit 3700. Now I got tint, and I'm gonna select a -2 on my magenta shift, and that is going to match the color science and the cameras perfectly from Burano to Sony Venice 2. And that is your cinematography tip of the day.
Fire up the 2400 Bs in the 120-foot condor. Give me the 80-foot condor moon bounce. Give me the landscapes. Fire up the avocado movers. And now give me the floor bounce. What separates a good DP from a great DP is how they light night exteriors.
I'm going to take you on a journey where you're going to learn how to light night exteriors Hollywood style and then indie style, where I turn all those lights in the sky off and then we light it from the ground. Come with me and learn how to harness the power of moonlight.
Welcome to the Night Exterior Masterclass.